Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you grammar, standard 2, chapter 1, alphabetical order. So let's start. Before I start, please check out your English grammar book, page number 3, lesson number 1, alphabetical order. We will first read this poem. The alphabet. A, B, C, D, and then comes E. This is my cat. I call her Kitty. I like to hide, so she cannot see me. F, G, H, I, and then comes J. Kitty loves my teddy. She plays with it throughout the day. K, L, M, N, and then comes O. Both Kitty and I love milk. Don't you know? P, Q, R, S, and then comes T. Kitty's ribbon is blue, just like the color of the sea. U, V, W, X, and then comes Y. Come, Kitty, let us play. We are friends, don't be shy. The last letter of the alphabet is Z. Here comes Kitty. She knows it is time to go to bed. So, children, how many letters are there? There are 26 letters from A to Z. These 26 letters together are called the alphabet. The 5 letters A, E, I, O and U are called vowels. And the remaining 21 letters are called consonants. Start doing the exercise. A. Write the vowels and consonant of the given words in the correct boxes. First one is consonant. The vowels are O, O, A, and the consonants are C, N, S, N, N, T. Second, alphabet. Vowels are A, E. Consonants are L, P, H, B, T. The third one is mountain. Vowels are O, U, A, I. Consonants are M, N, T, N. Next, fourth one, elephant. E, A. Consonants are L, P, H, N, T. Next one, fifth, computer. Vowels are O, U, E. Consonants are C, M, P, T, R. Next, sixth one, vocabulary. Vowels are O, A, U, A. Consonants are V, C, B, L, R, Y. Now the next question. B. Look at the letters on the keyboard of a computer. Color the vowels in different colors. So what we have to do, we have to color the vowels in different colors. What are the vowels? There are how many vowels? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So we'll find out the vowels and color it. Okay. In the first line you can see E, U, I, O. In the second line you will see A. So you can use any color. So students, I hope you understood consonants and vowels. The next is alphabetical order. In the alphabet, A comes before B, B comes before C, and so on. Reading or writing letters in the order as they come in the alphabet is called alphabetic order. That is A, B, C, D order. A, B, C, D, and so on, or P, Q, R, S, T, and so on. To put words in alphabetic order, look at the first letter of each word. For example, monkey, wave, doll, snake. Now to put in alphabetic order, we'll first see the first letter. So here D come first. So the first word will be doll. The next will be M, monkey. Second word will be monkey. The third one is S, snake, and the last is W, wave. But children, if the first letter of two words is the same, then what will you do? Then you will look at the second letter to arrange the word in alphabetic order. So we'll do few exercise. Now the next exercise. C. These animals have to board the train in alphabetic order. Write their names correctly on the coaches. So what do you have to do here? Few animals are given. You have to write the name of the animals in alphabetic order. Okay, so let's start. First one is done for you, cow. The second will be duck. Next will be hen, horse. Now both the letters hen and horse are same. So what we will do, we'll see the second letter and then arrange it in alphabetic order. Okay, next one is lion, peacock, snake, and the last will be zebra. Exercise D. Circle 8 words in the word puzzle. Write them in alphabetical order. I have already done for you. The 8 words are mango, zebra, dress, kite, ludo, ox, ball, and balloon. Now you have to arrange them in alphabetical order. The order will be ball, balloon, dress, kite, ludo, mango, ox, and zebra. Next exercise is E. Read these words, write them in alphabetical order. First one is already done, radish, carrot. So which word come first, C or R? C come first. So carrot will be first and radish will be second. In the next again, pencil, crayon. C or P? C comes first. So crayon, pencil. The third one is library, classroom. Again, C comes first. Classroom, library. Now in the fourth, there are 3. Table, chair, bed. So we are going to do in a ABCD order. So B comes first, then C, and then T. So bed, chair, table. In the fifth one, yacht, bus, ship. So again we have to go alphabetical order. So first one will be bus, ship, and then yacht. The sixth one is sleep, walk, sip. Now There are two words that have same letter S. So what we'll do, we'll see the second letter. So the second letter is K and L. So which comes first? Yes, K comes first. So sit, sleep and walk. I hope you understood. The remaining you have to do yourself.